Hello, I want to talk to you about another practice that is called biomagnetism. This therapy has been brought to the world through Dr. Goiz, a Mexican doctor. Maybe 30 years ago, he brought to the world all this information, all this wisdom and technology. I would say he translated, he channelized it because it's for the world. And I believe his mission was to bring to all of us this amazing practice to heal the body, mind, spirit, and energy with the imposition of pairs of magnets that will align internally your energy, your pH. And I will say this practice now is even proved in hospitals. In Spain, in Valencia, and in other hospitals, big major hospitals, they have proved this technique, this therapy with true sick people, and they have proved how they have recovered faster. There are more than 900 pairs of magnets. What that means? I would describe biomagnetism is similar in the way of acupuncture. They have many points and dots on the organs, on the elements and energy of the body. What happens there is that we use the magnets imposed maybe in an organ, maybe in the mind, in your heart, in any other part of your body. We use kinesiology in order to scan the body. There is many practitioners, there is many ways to use kinesiology. My personal way and the fastest way I could learn was through the feet. So what we do is we do questions, and those questions are to the superior soul, your being, not to your person. You don't answer with your words. The body reacts and moves one muscle, I would say, when there is a confirmation of something happening in the body. So this communication is between the facilitator of this therapy and the soul of the person with the permission, because it's always needed the permission of the soul in order to do any kind of healing. Again, little parenthesis on this. For all the healers, please remember, we don't heal people that don't ask for healing. We don't do Reiki to the world when they don't ask for the world. We don't give any kind of energy to anyone when they don't ask for that energy. It's important to ask permission for anyone that requires our healing. Okay? Our ego cannot go farther than that. We need to be humble and understand there is where we can tap, where we can enter. And this is the permission of the soul. And this is verbally, okay? It's not in my imagination. We have to ask the person, please, do I have permission for this therapy to happen? Reiki or biomagnetism or any other healing therapy. Again, coming back to the biomagnetism. So we impose those magnets to the body to repair the energy, to expel the virus, to take away the bacteria. We are not doctors. We don't give prescriptions. We don't give also the information of any sickness. We tell you when there is something blocked. We tell you when the energy requires focus. But we cannot impose sickness, and we cannot talk about any kind of doctor recipes, okay? We repair energy with magnetism. And it's proved. I personally have been using biomagnetism for 18 years in my life. I found it because of sickness, obviously. I had it very small, my baby, and I needed, after seeing many doctors and having normal medicine, I would say, nothing was healing his lungs, and he was very, very, very sick. So I was kind of desperate. He went even to the hospital, and a friend of mine recommended me a very old woman, very mysterious woman in the Riviera Maya. I found her. I went to her because a mother wants to heal the babies, however it happens. And less than 20 minutes, the change physically on the body of my baby started happen with the imposition of magnets on me, not even in my baby, because the therapy for babies are through the mother, which we are connected energetically to the babies until they are 7 years. So this is kind of the way how we work with the baby soul. And it happened. Obviously, it was very, for me, something very new to use. But when you see the results, then you start believing on this. After I used it on me, because I also had it, a sickness, something that was very heavy, a bacteria that was the first time that I used it on me, that someone gave me biomagnetism. And less than 10 minutes, the symptoms of fever and headache that didn't allow me to move for more than 3 days did stop. From these two confirmations that I had it, I started using biomagnetism for everything. For every single sickness of my babies and me. My kids won't lie. We don't use doctors. And it's not because I don't believe on them. I know there is amazing doctors, but mostly all of the doctors are also discovering what your baby has or you have. So they choose one medicine or the other, and if this doesn't work, they give you another one. So if you're a mama with kids, if you have a family, try biomagnetism, try with them, try with yourself, and see what happens. This trial won't have any effect. This won't give any damage to any organ as the chemicals. Okay, so my invitation is to use these therapies for you and your family, because we question many things. We question spirituality. We should question also the chemicals that we put inside of the body. And if we have an alternative therapy that has been proved already on hospitals, and now many other hospitals are acquiring these other alternative therapies to heal patients, I invite you to try it. There is no consequences. There is no side effects of biomagnetism. So try alternative therapies. They will help recover your health and the health of your family in an easy, harmonious way. Thank you.